Jen bino mugisha izoba rya Nyamabazyo asibira mu kurambura amashomero ga government harimo rya Nyamarebe Seed School n'ekigenderwa cyo kureba uburemezo bw'ine no kutwara inshongezi Omuny'ishengyero.
Twine bararo bukumara bw'abana na mununga abana babishi. Ikindi twine classe zikumara senior 5 yabi n'abana bake kuyabire bingi nayo twabura classe. Nabo bashomera hi babona umuntu batansi y'umuti umuntu bata mu laboratory kandi cyakebe kitakiri. So classe zitwine nazo zikumara.
Bitu nagamba ngu government ine kubanza kubahwera ahakiza ubucamashanyarazi na kanyabwengye ezitari kumara.
The power line is passing but they have not yet commissioned it. So we are still relying mainly on solar, and when there is a need of power we rely on a generator which is run by fuel, so everything still becomes expensive. So and the students number is outweighing the computer lab and the computer number.
Ebizibe birya hari Nyamarebe Seed School bya kanyabwengye nibyo birya hari Nsasi Secondary School kandi iki kigemeserizo Omuny'ishengyero kubatwara za kanyabwengye ibiri buri shomero.
Nsasi Secondary School, it's a government aided school. Konka babi bataine any computer kandi baba in that subject of ICT nkahi curriculum yawo. So I nababuza hati imwe mwani mushoma muta nkababuza mwe mushoma muta banyira ngo what we are doing ngo omusomesha benaiza abashomesa practical abagambira then baiza practical akorachi agenda so nanga yaba ize naka simuke ninga IC ninga ka iPad abashomesa so cyankwata omunonga.
We don't have even a lab, and it has been a challenge for so long. Some students change the school because we are lacking computers. So we don't have a laboratory, we don't have even the computers. And you know, with this new curriculum, we have to integrate, of course, ITC into the teaching.
I don't want to bring my computers here, and then 1 minute I hear that there's 3 girls that are being pregnanted on their way by my brothers there. I don't want to mention them. Or even when you go to your home during holidays.
Gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.